Khubor ni fibro kijing tip nam ta khubor Laitkam Hikai te tu ki buku apan apply sepej ke video berikut but page ya kanu ke bidon ka qualification but sale ya kabaran kam kumbal apan tip hangi te yang ni page menta te kene ke manikong one assistant teacher at Marian Hills Secondary School Jowai ke po Jowai post graduate in stream with BEd salary deficit pay last date of application kandai khar 3 Julai arjar psau interview kandai khar 3 Julai arjar psau at 10 am at school premises for detail contact te banyo ejing te bakhamne philaban phone ni gini number dai ru weisan pran ru lai ru rr but new not san not lai r pra te hangne thobet post / graduate in stream with BEd salary te banyo ejing te bakhamne philaban phone ni gini contact number artali gibal ai mat sakali hi kan mau ka dekh artarik ka last date application markat pratrik ka ka interview kabar one assistant teacher at Raj Sadeu Lajam Sadeu minimum qualification ka class 12 and DLEd plus MTED have done comeback upper age limit ka life san plusan sau post name nam ta ki STSC but lipo pras name nam ta ki OBC ka salary ka under deficit system. A candidate should possess the lower primary MTED grade LP to have LP MTED certificate. Interested candidates should submit their application in standard form to the Secretary Managing Committee during school hour on or before 19 July 2024. They can never take a last date can they have July arjar psau contact number ladab I new not pra san pra not new san way lie the namta gijing te bakhamne philaban shu contact by number ladab I te hang te ada mention ke dia po Raj Sadeu Lajam mar haban submit dia po school during school hours te select book application jong phi class date ke dia kharkhnai tarik Julai arjar sau and yang application in standard forms are invited at Laban Presbyterian Higher Secondary School for the following posts te gidon arlatlik post number 1 ke office assistant kena dimta post office assistant qualification name class 12 pass with computer knowledge pay kadai deficit and kapus ka bar pada kadai assistant lecturer in history qualification dimilong MA history with BEd kane pada kadai ad hoc ka pay kadai ad hoc grant in age as per government norms. Last date of submission of application is 18 July ka last date kadai 3 July arjar psau at the school office secretary managing committee te gi bakwa haban late ban submit pihak school ka last date kadai 3 July arjar psau. And sakawibiang one pre-primary teacher at Saint Xavier RCLP School Lapalang pre-primary Pin Ursula. Ka minimum qualification dimilong HSSLC 50% but 45% namtaki SCST. They bendep ya diploma in nursery teachers education and a pre-school education and early childhood education program of not less than 2 years. Ka last date kendai khalai tarik July arjar sau. Sakawibiang one assistant teacher at Them Rangsken Upper Primary School Rangsken. Ka minimum qualification dimilong BSc with DLEd lane BEd. Upper age limit can they sau post name STSC life pras name ta OBC under ad hoc system. A candidate should possess UPMTED phyabdep ya UPMTED certificate. Interested candidate should send their application in standard form to the Secretary Managing Committee on or before 16 July 2024. 100 July kadai last date. Rapi ko aban tab ya kan post akan mau ki nomor adap ai hapo phila aban kli gijing tab bakhamne kandai saulai andrew lai ar lai we nyon rew bat pra lai new not ar new not ru not te namta gijing tab bakhamne namta gini post bila ada pelaj phila aban chu kontak gi tab adap ai bat ki bom don kontak ko dai phaban let mi hi shapo school ban submit gi application gijong phi namta ban apply gini post te tangini gijing tip Khubor